The floor is completely gone. So the guys came back today and they did a lot of work. They took out the remaining floor and it looks really good. The next step is going to be to take out this floating slab. They're going to come with a big saw and cut it into sections, into a grid type of section. It's going to fall in this hole, but we're going to try to take it out with the machine once they do that. And I think that once that's completed, we'll be in a good position to start excavating this area here, which will be part of the new basement that is going to be installed. One cut so far right here, but they had to stop because it's started to rain a little bit and we don't really want to work if there's a lot of rain, so packed up for the day. Also, the saw blade that they have doesn't cut all the way through because of this flagstone, so it would have been nice if we had taken off the flagstone first. It was just a little bit too much work to get it out because it was sticking too much to the concrete, so it was a little bit difficult. But they ordered a new saw blade so that it will cut right through. So I'm not sure what the guy was saying, if it's a 10-inch blade or a 12-inch blade, but they need to go down a couple more inches. So he ordered the blade. He's going to go pick it up and keep working again when the rain stops. This videotaping from inside the house because it's very loud outside, and as you can see, they're cutting the concrete slab, the floating slab, in a 2x2 grid pattern, and the pieces are falling into the hole where we're going to get the machine and take them out piece by piece, because even though they're 2x2 sections, they are still quite heavy. A portion of the slab has been removed. Just a few more spots. There's this area here. They're going to bring a jackhammer tomorrow to see if they can take it down, because the saw couldn't really get into that area there, as well as that area there. And you can see the steel beam now. If you've been following along, I mentioned that there was a steel beam before. That's the beam right there. So that's going to also come out. And I think it's pretty well done for cutting for now. And as you can see also, they have cut the pieces in 2x3 foot rectangles, or as small as they could, because we now have to get an excavator to strap all of these pieces together one by one probably and take them out. So it's going to be probably a couple days of work to do that, but we're going to get that done. All the cement is out of the hole now. Looks great, nice and clean. The only thing that's left is these pieces here. So this section here is sitting on top of the foundation wall. So this strip of concrete has to be removed, and it's a little bit difficult. They've been using jackhammers and it's just very hard to come out. So they're just gonna have to keep working on it, and hopefully it just breaks away. But that is a section there, and there is another section right there that has to come out, and this little piece over here as well. So this is the foundation wall we'd like to see here, that one, and that one over there. We took out the last remaining pieces of concrete, and you can see that the foundation is completely exposed now, so we have a good area to work with. The only thing left is to take out these concrete chunks and then start the next stage, which is to excavate the new basement area. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. It's really appreciated, and I will see you in the next one.